జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. And in this Rajadharmam, while sending soldiers to the battlefield, we should not be considering physical relation anymore. That is why, oh my dear Kumara, I am sending you to this battle. You please start remembering, recollecting all your Astra mantras, and while wishing for success, go ahead and fight with Hanuma. When Ravana said like that, Indrajit did Pradakshinam Chakara, did Pradakshina to his father Ravana, and getting ready to go to the battlefield. So many soldiers are making so many sounds to encourage Indrajit. And also there is so much of excitement in Indrajit. Nirjagama Mahatejaha Samudra Iva Parvasu. As and how in certain festival occasions the ocean overflows, so also Indrajit Utsaham, the excitement is coming out spontaneously, and now he left for battlefield. Indrajit, the one who is an equivalent to Indra, is coming to fight with Hanuma in a chariot which is run by lions. And that chariot is coming so fast. Soon Indrajit reached Hanuma. Now Hanuma is looking at Indrajit. Hanuma feeling happy to see Indrajit. Now to see the fight between Hanuma and Indrajit, all the Maharshis, Nagas, Yakshas, Siddhas, all of them came there and standing over there to see the fight of Hanuma and Indrajit. After seeing Indrajit, Hanuma Vinanada Mahanadam Vyavardhatacha Vegavan. Hanuma doing Simhanadam, roaring like a lion, and he is increasing his body. Indrajit, now he is also making huge sound from his beautiful, surprising Dhanus bow. Now Indrajit started shooting so many arrows. Hanuma skipping every arrow which is shooted by Indrajit. The one who is the son of Vayudeva, Hanuma, is waiting and standing right in front of Indrajit and waiting for all the arrows that Indrajit is shooting. Just before those arrows come and touch Hanuma, Prasarya Hastau Hanuman Utpapat Anilatmajaha. Just before those arrows come and hit Hanuma, while spreading his hands into sky, he flies into sky. Like that, Hanuma skipping every arrow. Now such a huge war is going on between Indrajit and Hanuma. But neither Hanuma nor Indrajit got any chance to hit each other. That means both of them are great soldiers. They were fighting each other, but they are unable to hit each other so far. To that extent, fight is going on very intensely. Now Indrajit started getting kind of depressed, thinking that none of his arrows are touching Hanuma. Now what to do? Avadhyatam tasya kapehe samikshya. I think that no any arrow can touch Hanuma. Now I have to take Hanuma into my custody. For that, Sandadhe tatah paitamaham, let me shoot Brahmastram. Like that Indrajit thought and shooted Brahmastram and tied Hanuma with Brahmastram. Then Tena Baddhaha Tataha Astrena. Brahmastram tied Hanuma. Hanuma is now fell on the floor. Papata Chamahitale. He fell on the floor. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।